Open the box. Take out the machine and other accessories inside. Check accessories. Push the button, straighten the fuselage. Remove the fixing screw. Install and implement wheels and fenders. And tighten the screws to fix it. Remove the nut with a wrench. There are two installation methods. When dismantling, pay attention to aligning the lock bolt. The three blades are installed in the same way. Finally, we install the handle. Insert the batteries. Quick installation and implementation of wheels. Installation complete. Let's try flipping the switch.